Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled on the device, and the APK installer is installed on your computer. Plug in the original or a certified 2.0/3. 0 USB cable. Unstable cables cause detection failures. Once connected, watch the device screen for an authorization prompt and tap Allow. If no prompt appears, toggle USB debugging off and on to force a re-auth attempt. This often resolves handshake problems before you proceed. Now you confirm the connection by running a DB devices. You should see your device ID listed. If not, switch the USB mode to file transfer, sometimes labeled MTP, and rerun the command. Once visible, use the APK installer's Install APK function. Select a single APK or the correct split APK bundle. The tool needs matching base and config splits. Make sure the installer runs with necessary permissions on the host, and watch progress logs for permission or signature errors that stop installation. Finish by launching the installed app and granting runtime permissions it requests. This verifies a successful install. If installation fails, read the error. Signature mismatches mean you need a correctly signed APK, while install failed version downgrade indicates version conflicts. As one key troubleshooting step, revoke USB debugging authorizations in developer options and reauthorize the host when prompted. This resets the ADB trust relationship and clears many elusive connection problems. Finally, reboot the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.